Hello everyone, you are here to learn some facts in 3 minutes. Recently, Among Us has become so popular that everyone around me is playing the game. My high school friends, my colleagues, and even my boss asked me to play the game with them. I had played the game for a few times and I got addicted to the game as well, playing it with my friend till 4 or even 5 in the morning. I am the kind of person who will easily find a game boring, but even I can't help playing Among Us this time. Do you have the same feeling with me? Do you find this game fascinating and get addicted to it? One of the reasons for this game to be so attractive is that there are huge variety. Although the map is small and the tasks are repetitive, there are uncountable combinations for you to finish the tasks. You may start by going to the map bay to see crewmates scanning, or you can first fix your wires at the spawn points, or you can walk around with your friend and get killed at the corner. That's what always happens to me. Or if you are the imposter, there are also uncountable ways for you to kill your friends, and I believe that is much more fun. All this variety keeps the game new and unpredictable, so that every round is exciting and engaging. Moreover, Among Us is a game which requires to fully focus on all the details for the crews. You have to remember who walked by the tunnel, or if you are more advanced, you may need to remember the exact tasks for each location. The high level of concentration will distract our attention from the tasks or the killing itself. So, even the tasks and the killings are repetitive, we will not find the game boring because the crews, which are what we focus on, are always new. Another reason, which I think is the major reason, is that the game connects us with our friends. We have been staying at home for nearly half a year. Unconsciously, we develop a huge desire of social contact in our mind. Recall your memory of playing Among Us. Did you hate your friend when they killed you? Or you will say, I know you are the imposter, or I will kill you next time. When I got killed, of course I will feel a little bit angry, but definitely not in a hatred way. The essence of Among Us is not winning the game indeed, but looking at how your friends lie with nonsense evidence, or how they hop into the fence embarrassingly just in front of you. Laughing at your friends is what we enjoy in Among Us. So, no matter how bad the animation or the tasks are, we enjoy playing it as long as our friends are there. You have now learned why Among Us is so popular. If you are interested in more psychology in gaming design, let me know in the comment section so I will make video for you. Subscribe to the channel so you can always learn something new in 3 minutes. This is 3 Minutes Facts. Thank you for watching.